making a caramel apple dump cake. Oh my. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is grease my pan. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take apples, and I like my apples not so chunky, so I cut them up just a little bit in the can. Then you don't have to add this, but I like a little extra spice on mine. So I put a little bit of extra cinnamon and allspice, just a little bit, and just mix that around a little bit. It doesn't have to be real good. My caramel bits, and then my pecans, which is optional. Then I'm going to take my spice mix. Then you're just going to sprinkle your cake mix all over the top. Then I'm going to take my sliced butter. And you want your butter to be a little bit cold when you slice it, because then it'll be easier to cut. I take and put this in the oven and let it bake. Okay, got my apple cake done. Oh, yum. Whipped cream. And there you go. Another version of apple dump cake.